Hi, this is Stux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you blueberry milkshake. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So for this recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of blueberries, 1.5 cup of milk, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So all you need to do is add everything into a blender and blend. I'm using a Bosch blender and my blender comes with different settings. So I'll be using the shake function since I'm making milkshake. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Stux and on this channel I upload healthy, yummy, quick, easy and simplified recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. So will you be giving this recipe a try, and will you love to see more blueberry recipes? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time.